Hello po, good afternoon. Welcome po muli sa ating tutorial, mga ka-engineers. Welcome. 1R Structural Design Analysis Method, Steel and Concrete. Tuesday, November 4, 2025. As of this moment po, gagamit po tayo ng Graphical Rapid Analysis of Structures Program or GRAS. Let's say, for example, we in this training po, share ko po sa inyo na how did I accomplish hundreds of projects, and most of these projects were completed within 1 hour. So I'll share it to you using this program, the Graphical Rapid Analysis of Structures program. Rapid Analysis of Structures program. Let's say, for example, a standard building. We will analyze a standard building from footing to from the bottom of footing to the second floor level is 5 meters. New. So po, ang una natin tatandaan dito, lagi po tayo sa System International para mas mabilis po ang ating pag-analyze at mas madali po nating maintindihan. Kunyari po, meron tayong two-story structure na may uh, from bottom of footing to the second floor level, 5 meters po. Bilang po tayo ng 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tapos ang span po from column to column, let's say for example 3 meters. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's say for example from the second floor level to roof level is 3 meters. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Then we will assign supports po. This icon is for the support. Modify nodal restraints. We'll assign it as fix, fix, fix. And then the loadings for each floor. Let's say 20, 20. We will put earthquake load. After this, we will put earthquake loads. Dito po, pag maglalagay po tayo ng nodal loads, ito po yung icon. Let's say 80, 50, 30. Yan. Pwede na po tayo mag-analyze. So, ito po yung pag-calculate, perform the analysis. Save po muna natin dito sa grass sample, two-story, struct. Yan. Makikita po natin dito, meron na tayong deflected shape. Yun pong kulay pula, yun po yung deflected shape ng structure. Meron na din po tayong reactions, maximum action loads. Pwede na din po nating ma-determine. For this case, 111 kilonewton po. Shear diagrams, moment diagrams, elongations. As of this moment po, hanggang dito po muna. Pag may mga tanong po kayo, tanong lang po kayo. Please message me directly lang po or call my mobile number. Thank you very much po and good afternoon po muli sa inyong lahat.